Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Today we have an ECM from Kurt from Pennsylvania. It was actually, ticket was created 13 days ago. UPS ground seemed to have taken 2 weeks to deliver it to me. Crazy, but Pennsylvania, it's pretty far away. The problem with it is cylinder 1 misfire. Okay, let's see what we can do, and let's do a quick transition to desktop. There you go. Now I don't have to actually stitch the footage. And let's turn off the studio light. Let's open the guy and see if there is any prior repair. I doubt there is. So far I think I only had one that had prior repair. No prior repair. Beautiful. That's what I like. Okay, let's get this charged. Yes, so let's remove the chip, remove the solder, replace the solder with a better one, and that will do the trick. Alrighty. This one is going back to Kurt, to Pennsylvania. Hopefully it'll be good, because I struggled a little bit on the ground pins, which is usually the case because those ground pins are kind of hard to solder, but normally it's it's a little faster. I was kind of struggling. What was it, like 2 times I had to fix it, or after the first soldering I had to solder it twice to get nice soldering on those pins. Well, it should work. Kurt, this is going back to you today, with 2nd day air shipping. It'll probably be 3 days before you actually receive it. Thank you very much for your business. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.
Black Horse Repairs, subscribe. You heard me.